Welcome to Faro, the captivating capital of the Algarve in southern Portugal. With its rich blend of historical heritage, natural beauty, and coastal charm, Faro offers a unique gateway to the Algarve. Whether you're here to explore ancient ruins, enjoy the lively old town, or relax along pristine shores, Faro has something for every traveller. The history of Faro dates back thousands of years. Archaeological findings reveal that this area has been inhabited since prehistoric times. However, it was the Romans who first established a lasting presence here, creating the city of Ossonoba, which served as a regional trading centre. In the 8th century, Faro came under Moorish rule, which lasted for over 5 centuries. The Moors left a significant mark on the culture, architecture, and agriculture of Faro, and their influence can still be seen today. In fact, the name Algarve, meaning the West, from which the Algarve derives its name, comes from the Arabic language. The 13th century brought the Christian Reconquista, led by King Afonso III of Portugal, who liberated Faro from Moorish rule in 1249. After the Reconquest, Faro was integrated into the Kingdom of Portugal, marking a new era of Portuguese influence. One of the must-see areas in Faro is the Old Town, known as Cidade Velha. As you enter through the stunning Arco da Vila, an 11th century arch, you'll be transported to a world of cobblestone streets, historic architecture, and charming cafes. Cidade Velha's centerpiece is the Sé de Faro, or Faro Cathedral, located in Largo da Sé. Built in the 13th century, this magnificent cathedral combines Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque architectural styles. Visitors can climb the cathedral tower for panoramic views of Faro and the Ria Formosa lagoon. Not far from the cathedral, you'll find the Arco do Raposo, another iconic Moorish gateway. The picturesque lanes here are filled with whitewashed buildings adorned with colourful tiles, known as azulejos, a hallmark of Portuguese design. Faro is home to several fascinating museums that tell the story of its rich past. The Museu Municipal de Faro, located in a former 16th century convent, houses an impressive collection of Roman artifacts, paintings and sculptures. The Roman mosaic of Oceanus, depicting the god of the sea, is one of the museum's highlights. Another intriguing site is the Igreja do Carmo, known for its chapel of bones, or Capela dos Ossos. Built in the 18th century, this small chapel features walls decorated with the skulls and bones of monks, a haunting yet fascinating sight. For a deeper dive into the Algarve's maritime heritage, visit the Centro Ciência Viva do Algarve. This interactive science centre explores the region's ecosystems and marine biodiversity, making it a fantastic stop for families and nature enthusiasts. Faro is the gateway to the stunning Ria Formosa Natural Park, a vast lagoon system that stretches along the Algarve coastline. This protected area is a haven for wildlife, including flamingos, herons, and many other migratory bird species. The park's scenic channels, salt pans, and barrier islands make it a paradise for birdwatchers, kayakers, and nature lovers. One of the best ways to experience the Ria Formosa is by taking a boat tour, where you can visit some of the islands that dot the lagoon. Ilha Deserta, or Deserted Island, is a peaceful spot with sandy beaches, turquoise waters, and a rustic restaurant. Another popular island is Ilha da Culatra, a fishing community with vibrant beach scenes and traditional whitewashed homes. The Algarve is famous for its beaches, and Faro has its own beautiful shoreline to enjoy. Praia de Faro, the main beach, stretches for miles along a narrow strip of sand. With clear waters, fine sand, and gentle waves, it's a fantastic spot for sunbathing, swimming, or simply enjoying the ocean breeze. No visit to Faro is complete without exploring the local cuisine. Faro's culinary scene draws heavily from the Algarve's coastal offerings, with fresh seafood being the star. Dishes like cataplana de marisco, a rich seafood stew cooked in a copper pot, and grilled sardines, a local favourite, can be found in many of Faro's traditional taverns and modern restaurants. The city's central market, Mercado Municipal de Faro, is a bustling hub where you can find fresh produce, meats, cheeses, and, of course, an array of seafood. For a taste of local pastries, don't miss the pastéis de nata, Portugal's famous custard tarts, or the Algarve specialty doce fino, colourful marzipan sweets shaped into fruit and other delightful forms. Faro has a vibrant cultural calendar filled with festivals and events that celebrate local traditions. In August, the Festa da Ria Formosa is a popular seafood festival where visitors can sample a wide variety of shellfish and fish dishes. This festival also features live music, dancing, and plenty of cultural activities. In July, the Folk Faro Festival brings performers from around the world to celebrate traditional dance and music, transforming Faro's streets and squares into lively stages. For car enthusiasts, Faro hosts the Faro International Motorcycle Rally each July, one of Europe's largest biker gatherings, attracting thousands of motorcycle lovers from across the globe. Faro's nightlife offers a blend of relaxed bars, live music venues, and lively clubs. The city's marina area, with its illuminated waterfront, is a great place to start your evening. Enjoy a drink at one of the many bars overlooking the marina, or head to Rua Conselheiro Bivar, a street lined with eclectic pubs and cocktail bars. For a more cultural experience, Faro's theatres and art galleries often host evening events including concerts, plays, and art exhibitions. Faro's location makes it an excellent base for day trips to other parts of the Algarve. Just a short drive away, you'll find Lule, a charming town known for its colourful market, Moorish castle, and traditional craft shops. You can also visit Estoy, home to the stunning Palacio de Estoy, a former palace known for its beautiful gardens and opulent interiors. Another worthwhile trip is to the village of Olhau, known for its fishing traditions and whitewashed cube-shaped houses. Olhau's waterfront area is bustling with seafood restaurants and serves as a gateway to the islands of the Ria Formosa. Faro is easily accessible thanks to its international airport, which connects the city to numerous European destinations. Faro Airport is just a short drive from the city centre, making it convenient for travellers arriving from abroad. Getting around Faro is straightforward. The city has a reliable public transport system, and many of the main attractions are within walking distance. For those planning to explore the surrounding area, renting a car can be a good option. The best times to visit Faro are in spring and fall when the weather is pleasant and crowds are thinner than during the peak summer months. However, summer offers lively festivals and events, adding a special touch to your Faro experience. Faro is a city of contrasts. where ancient history meets modern vibrancy, and where urban life coexists with breathtaking natural beauty. From the enchanting alleys of Cidade Velha to the pristine beaches of Praia de Faro, this city offers endless experiences waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a nature enthusiast, or just someone looking for a peaceful getaway, Faro welcomes you with open arms. Come and explore the hidden gem of the Algarve. Faro, a city that beautifully blends the old with the new.